Let's look at the main mistakes made when operating grabs. To select the right equipment, you need to consider two parameters at once: digging depth and dumping height. Dumping height is necessary for us to determine the maximum number of extensions. Let's give some examples. Option 1. The material is dumped into a spoil heap at ground level. The base machine is a 30-ton excavator. The maximum dumping height of the excavator with a standard bucket is 9 meters. Knowing this, we can equip the machine with 3 2-meter extensions plus the grab itself, which is 1.8 meters long. The dumping height will be 1.2 meters. The excavator is positioned at least 1 meter away from the edge of the pit. In this case, the maximum digging depth will be 12 meters. Option 2. Unloading into automotive or railway transport. The base machine is a 30-ton excavator. The maximum dumping height of the excavator with a standard bucket is 9 meters. We can use 2 extensions, 1 meter long and 1 2-meter long, plus the grab itself, which is 1.8 meters long. This gives us a dumping height of 4.2 meters. This is sufficient for loading material into a railway car or a flatbed truck. The excavator is positioned at least 1 meter away from the edge of the pit. The maximum digging depth in this case will be 9.5 meters. Regularly perform technical inspections during the operation of the grab. Daily maintenance consists of applying grease to the grease fittings, checking for play, tightening all bolted connections, the flange, extension mounts, and teeth. The excavator's tracks must be positioned strictly perpendicular to the edge of the pit. The minimum distance from the edge is 1 meter. Otherwise, the excavator may tip over into the pit. The grab must operate strictly vertically. The approximate weight of the grab with extensions and material is 3,700 kilograms. With a lever of 5.8 meters and such a weight, either the flange or the suspension may break. The rotational movement is intended only for positioning the grab. It is strictly forbidden to change the direction of rotation of loaded equipment. It is not allowed to perform turning movements of the grab while picking up a load. It is strictly forbidden to tamp material in the pit. This leads to deformation of the metal structures, crumpling of the lugs, and breakage of the rotator. It is strictly prohibited to use the equipment as a lifting device. Firstly, exceeding the lifting capacity may result in flange failure, rupture of the hydraulic hose, and hydraulic fluid leakage. Secondly, the load may fall if it is not held by the grab but is instead attached to the hook. If the load falls, it may cause damage to special equipment located in the unloading area or result in human casualties. The hook is intended strictly for slinging the equipment itself during transportation.